I just to make sure, okay? Something is like, well, not that crazy, but like, the reason I was at hospital because I don't know how, but the day before I got out of the hospital, I was just normal, and then I just randomly got this thing out from out of nowhere. And yeah, as you can hear, it's running up right as you can hear. Wait just a second. Wait, look at this. Oh, look at this. Crazy, huh? Yep, be right back. Oh yeah, I don't know what this thing is, so yeah. Bye bye.